So before this video gets started, I wanted to tell you all about a new company called Fetti, which helps you get access to higher paying jobs. And within minutes, you can fill out the link below to sign up for Fetti, and they're gonna start sending you jobs, and they're looking for gig workers who have experience so you can get higher paying jobs, higher earnings, and potentially even an easy job that pays you a ton of money. So stop applying for tons of jobs and use Fetti with our link below so you can get jobs sent to you automatically. And who knows, maybe you could actually land the job of your dreams and make way more money than you ever dreamed of. So get started with Fetti completely for free, and within minutes, you'll get jobs sent right to you. Uber is doing massive layoffs. So, here we go. You want to read this part?
Yeah, Uber-owned online grocer corner shop eliminates 11% of staff.
So this is basically Uber's like Instacart.
Yeah. So they basically got a memo from the CEO, Oscar something.
Oh, Oscar Mayer? Oh no.
Oscar, I don't know how to pronounce that.
Hjertansson. I think it's Swedish, Hjertansson. Oscar Hjertansson.
Yeah, so
oh wow, Uber stock is down huge today. 1.82%. That's huge. Okay, continue.
So there was a reduction headcount that affected about 250 employees.
Whoa! That's a lot.
Yeah.
So maybe it sounds like they're going to be shutting down, because I don't know how many employees they have total.
Well, the majority of the job cuts were concentrated in Chile.
And Latin America? In Canada? Yeah, so basically it sounds like they expand a little too fast, because Uber, they just want to take over the whole world.
Yeah,
they're like Facebook.
Be the #1 monopoly.
Yeah, so it looks like they went a little too fast. Oh gosh, I hate this guy. Anyways, he's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. If you're watching this, I'd love to interview you. You're a really cool guy. I'd love to do a video sponsor. Maybe you give us 20 grand for a little shout out.
Yeah.
So yeah, since Uber and Corner Shop joined forces, we've explored the best way to combine our people, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, they're doing massive layoff, guys. Drivers could be next. Who knows? We'll keep you all updated. And again, big shout out to Fetti, the new company that is going to help you get higher paying jobs. So use the link below. It only takes 2 minutes. You just fill out a couple of questions. So use our link below for Fetti, and they're going to help you get a better job. Thanks for watching, guys.